when we come to our third region, which is the triple bonds, there are two triple bonds that we have usually seen, the C triple bonded N and the C triple bonded C. If you just look at this bond versus this bond, we can easily see this has more polarity on it. That is the reason you will see the strength of this peak, the C triple bonded strength, to be a little bit more than that of the C triple bonded with another C. This is in contrast to region 4, where you have double bonds. Double bonds with a more electronegative atom, oxygen, which makes the polarity of this bond, the carbon-oxygen bond, even more stronger. And out of the two double bonds that we know we have been using and we will use a lot are the C double bonded C and the C double bonded oxygen. Very rarely we will use the C double bonded N. So for most of your samples, you will see the C double bonded oxygen and the C double bonded C. Because of its lower polarity, the C double bond C bond peak is sharper and weaker. On the other hand, because of its more polarity, C double bond O is a stronger and broader peak. Depending on what other molecule part this carbonyl carbon group is attached to, this peak will shift from 1650 and 1800. On the other hand, the C double bond C will usually stay between 1620 and 1650. Moving on to our fifth region, which is the fingerprint region. We will only be looking at the C single bond oxygen. Between 1000 and 1300, this peak appears as a strong, broad peak. In its absence, you will see other peaks, but they will not be as broad and as strong as the C single bond O peak. If you are ever asked to draw your best depiction of C single bond O, you will start from the top, the baseline, and draw a single pointed peak on your graph between 1000 and 1300. You do not need to show all of these extra peaks. And that's when you need to realize and learn how to ignore extra peaks.